Hello, today we are going to make buffalo chicken thighs with the Traeger. So, we have to open the Traeger. Traeger is a smoker. So, you want to season the chicken in a bowl, get your seasonings, and then apply. Whoa, this is hard with one hand. Okay, I brought my handy dandy tongs to move this around. For the sauce, I have some buffalo chicken sauce, and then we're gonna use 4 tablespoons of butter. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's half a stick. And we're gonna cook it in a saucepan. Okay? So I got this saucepan right here. Just like warm it up, so not too high, like a medium-low heat. And then we'll add this in here. So this is where the temperature is. It's at 500s. It's pretty high. So we're gonna add this now. I'm actually gonna lower it a little. I'm gonna open. Always stand from the side so you don't burn yourself. Ooh, that's a nice sound. And here we add our chicken. We're gonna cook it for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping once. Directly on the grates is totally fine. Ooh, we have a nice sound. Okay, this little guy there. Okay, so now we're going to close this guy up. And look at that. We have a thermometer. I can poke it. There we go. It's nice and poked. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Okay, maybe I'll bring this up a little bit more. All right. So here's the buffalo sauce. I forgot to tell you, you need a cup of buffalo sauce. And then just kind of stir this till it all melts. Let's get this going. All right. So it's at 450, the temperature. It's been about 5 minutes. So we're gonna flip this now. Okay. Just flipping one time. All right, so another 5 minutes, and then we'll take this out, add the sauce, and then cook it again. So I put the sauce in a bowl. We're going to take the chicken out, dip it in here, and put it back on the smoker for about 5 minutes. Ooh, these are looking nice. Okay, all right, so we're going to dip. All right. Ooh, yeah, get that sauce. Oh man, I'm really excited. Okay. Oh yeah. Number 3. Here's number 4. And a little baby 5. Don't touch the thermometer with your hand. It's really hot, okay? Last one, yo. So good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now we cook 5 minutes more. So the temperature is at 175 Fahrenheit. Okay, so a few minutes have passed. Oh, they're looking a lot nicer color. Okay, let's use the thermometer again. Looking at a 175. Okay guys, it has to be ready now. Woo! My thermometer. Okay, we gotta turn this off, let this cool now. So basically you turn this to shutdown cycle, leave it on, leave this open to like air out, and let's go inside. All plated. We have Pillsbury croissants, mixed greens, chicken, and some blue cheese on top. Ooh, yes.